Hello, welcome to today's English grammar lesson. In this lesson, we are going to focus on future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous refers to a situation that will be completed at specific time in the future. You might be wondering, okay, this is the theoretical part of future perfect continuous, but what does that mean? How can we use it in sentences? Let's look at the rule. So you need to start with the subject. It's always important, the subject, followed with will, present participle. If you are not sure what is actually present participle, it is verb plus ing. I will have been studying for 6 hours by this afternoon. What does that mean? 6 hours of studying will finish this afternoon. So in this case, I'm speaking about something that will take place at specific time in the future or maybe in the afternoon. All right, now let's look at another example. If I say the children will have been playing football for 3 hours this evening, that means the children complete 3 hours of playing. All right, so in this case, we need to use the future perfect continuous to describe the continuation of something. It is really important for you to remember the word continuation, some moments in the future or maybe some time in the future. So this is basically the way to create sentences using future perfect continuous. If you want to use yes or no, what you need to do in this case, you need to start with will. Well, after that, the subject, and then have been, verb with ing form, and rest of the question. All right? Example, if I say, will he have been studying English for 3 years next month? It means that I want to know if the answer to this question is yes or no. Will she have been cooking for 1 hour by the time the children come back home? Yes, she will, or no, she won't. All right? But if you want to use WH questions, so what you need to do, you need to start this question with WH followed with will, the subject, and then have been plus the verb with ing form. All right, so this is basically the structure of future perfect continuous. So now what do we need to do is that we need to look at some examples to understand future perfect continuous in an easy way. If we look at this sentence, by the end of the year, I will have been living in this city for 1 year. I'm speaking about my living process. By the end of the year, I will have completed 1 year. By the end of October, we will have been working on this project for 2 months. Say you are in a studying environment, and for how long have you been studying? I will have been studying math for 8 hours by this evening. 8 hours will finish this evening. So maybe you started working in the morning and from the morning until the evening. My parents will have been traveling for 2 days by tomorrow. My mother will have been working for 8 hours by the time she comes back home. You have been working in this factory for 2 years by the time of the Christmas party. Connecting the Christmas party time with the number of years. So what is happening in all these sentences? Talk about one meaning, which is continuation. The meaning started in the past, continue in the present, and will continue happening until specific time in the future. In December, I will have been working at this company for 3 years. So by the end of December, I will finish 3 years. How long will he have been driving when he gets back home? Where will she have been living by next year? Probably I'm expecting her to move maybe to another city or maybe to another area by next year. And in this case, I'm asking about the future moment. What will the professor have been teaching by the end of the semester? This is basically the structure of future perfect continuous. I really hope you found this English grammar lesson useful, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Alright? Also, let me know if you have other topics that you want me to explain. So in this case, I wish you a happy day, and also please make sure to subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell, and what else? And yeah, leave me some comments and things like that. So in this case, I wish you a happy day and take care of yourself. Bye bye.